Dropshipping apps built for Shopify connect your store with a network of suppliers to streamline order management. Use a dropshipping app to find products, import product details into your store, and send order information to the supplier for packing and shipping. Most apps include features for monitoring key information like product availability and shipping status, which you can use to enhance customer support. Key points about dropshipping apps. Download and connect a dropshipping app to start selling quickly. Automatically import products to your store and send orders to suppliers. Choose from a variety of dropshipping apps. Partner with multiple suppliers to sell a range of products. Dropshipping apps make a wide selection of products accessible to sellers who don't have existing relationships with suppliers. This accessibility brings benefits and challenges, such as competition from other dropshippers selling the same products. Many dropshipping apps connect sellers to as AliExpress. For sellers, this increases product selection and lowers prices, but may also create long shipping times and import tax obligations. How to dropship using an app. Follow these steps to start dropshipping using a Shopify app. 1. Create a store. Start a free trial and create your Shopify store. Follow the setup guide to add essential features like a home page, product, pages, and menu navigation. If you don't already own a website address, register a domain that fits your niche and matches your store or brand name. 2. Customize your store. Shopify's professionally designed themes give you a head start with store design. Select a theme that matches your desired layout. Many popular themes are free. Brand your website with a color scheme. Create a logo, set up your checkout, and populate your pages with basic content and images. At this stage, don't invest too much time in your store's appearance. When your dropshipping business is up and running, you can draw inspiration from other stores and learn how to get the most from the website builder. Try the Dawn theme, a popular free theme for Shopify stores. 3. Download and connect a dropshipping app. Choose a dropshipping app that links your store with suppliers stocking the products you want to sell. To pick an app, consider factors like supplier, location, product range, and feedback from other dropshippers. Your supplier will handle inventory, order, processing, and delivery to customers, making your choice of app important. Do thorough research and consider testing a few product samples for quality assurance before making a final decision. Once you've selected an app, download and connect it to your store.
4. Optimize product pages. As you import products from your dropshipping app, your store will autofill with product details and images.
Don't rely on the default descriptions and images provided by your supplier. Edit product information to engage shoppers with original content that helps them decide to make a purchase. Shopify's built-in AI tools can enhance your product pages. Improve product descriptions with search engine-friendly content suited to your target audience and transform product photos with AI-enhanced image editing. When refining product pages, don't forget to price your products competitively. Make sure to collect any necessary taxes and retain a profit margin for each sale. Set up your Shopify store. Sign up. Begin with a 14-day free trial at shopify.com. Choose a plan. Basic, 39-month. Ideal for new businesses. Shopify, 105-month. Suitable for growing businesses. Advanced, $399 month. Designed for scaling operations. OmniSend 1 SEO training. Plan. Customize your store. Select a professional theme from Shopify's theme library. Add a logo and banners using tools like Canva. Set up essential pages: home, about us, contact us, FAQs, and privacy policy. Revenue amplify. Plow 2, SEO training. Plow 2, OmniSend Plow 2. Choose a domain name. Pick a memorable and relevant domain name for your store. Vinish Rohini. SEO training revenue amplify. Po4.OmniSend, Po4. Step 2, source products for dropshipping. Option 1, use dropshipping apps. Shopify's app ecosystem lets you connect to a network of suppliers, import product, details, and automate order forwarding. Trango Tech. Vinish Rohini, safri.ecomia.co/+3. Choose a domain name. Pick a memorable and relevant domain name for your store. Popular apps include Revenue Amplify Pux 3, Vinish Rohini Pux 3, The Income Informer. Pux 3 DSers, ideal for sourcing products from AliExpress. Spocket offers products from US, European, and international suppliers. Zendrop, known for custom packaging and enhanced customer experience. AutoDS, an AI-powered solution for trend analysis and product sourcing. E-commerce fast lane, Plow5 Vinesh Rohini, Dropshipping Trango Tech, Plow5. Option 2, partner directly with suppliers. For more control over your products and branding, you can partner directly with suppliers. Vinish Rohini, benefits: ability to negotiate pricing and fulfillment terms. Opportunity for custom or private label products. More direct communication and fewer middlemen, Shopify. Build strong relationships with suppliers to become a preferred partner. Test products for quality before listing them on your store. Shopify. Step 3, set up payment gateways. To process transactions, you need to activate Shopify Payments. The Income Informer. Website Builder Expert. Go to Settings in your Shopify admin panel. Select Payments and click on Shopify Payments. Enter your business and banking details. Enable payment methods like credit cards, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. The Income Informer. Integrate payment gateways like Payoneer, Stripe Atlas, or 2Checkout for international payments. Step 4. Configure shipping settings. Setup. Shipping zones define regions where you will ship your products. Determine shipping rates. Offer free or flat rate shipping to attract customers. SEO training. Use local suppliers. Consider working with suppliers in United States of America to reduce shipping times and improve customer satisfaction. SEO training. Step 5. Optimize product listings. Use AI tools. Leverage Shopify's AI tools to enhance product descriptions and images. SEO training. Optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords in product titles and descriptions to improve. Search engine rankings. Gelato. High-quality images. Use clear and professional images to showcase your products. Step 6. Market your store. Social media marketing. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to promote your products. Content marketing. Start a blog related to your niche to drive organic traffic to your site. Revenue amplify. +1 Nerd Wallet. +1 email. Marketing. Build an email list by offering discounts or valuable content. Regularly communicate with your audience through newsletters. Revenue amplify. Paid advertising. Consider using Google Ads or Facebook ads to reach a larger audience. Nerd Wallet. Step 7. Analyze and optimize monitor performance. Use Shopify's built-in analytics to track your store's performance. Adjust strategies. Based on data, adjust your marketing strategies, product offerings, and pricing to optimize your business. I hope helped to this informations.
Stay tuned, my channel, more informations. Goodbye.